This is one of our longest lasting voice recorders. The battery will last up to 150 days in voice activation mode, which means it will only record when it hears sound and stop when it is silent, and continue to start and stop as it hears audio to record. The battery will last 14 days in continuous recording mode. It is rechargeable and can record while charging or plugged in. It's extremely easy to use. It has embedded software allowing you to easily set the date and time stamp, adjust audio quality, and the voice activation sensitivity. It also comes with a removable magnet that you can easily attach to almost anything made of metal and an OTG adapter so that you can listen to your recordings on your OTG-capable phone. The basic operation is truly one-touch recording. To start recording, simply find the toggle wheel on the top of the recorder. There is a notch right on the top of the wheel. When the notch is in the middle, it is off. To start recording in voice activation mode, roll the notch towards the two dots. And if you want to record in continuous mode, roll the wheel towards the line on the other side. To stop recording, turn the notch back to the middle. Next, let's go over how to use the embedded software. I covered this in a previous video, so here it is. I also want to take a minute to show you the embedded software. Let's start with the time and date stamp. Now, this is a Windows 10 computer. This is what it looks like, but most computers are going to be similar. First thing you want to do is open the file up over here in File Manager. I already have the device plugged into the computer. All right, so that's coming up. Oops. Let's go to this PC, and it's a MemoQE drive on it. It may be different on your computer, it just depends on the computer. Click on that. Now you're going to see the time setup file. Go ahead and double click on the time setup. Click yes on the pop-up window, and there it is. As you can see, the date and time automatically syncs to your computer. Once you hit start on that, it's going to put it on your device. Your voice activation level, SVOS level. 0 is default. Most people will never have to change that, but if you have a very quiet audio environment, you could hit the +1 or +2, and that's going to make the voice activation kick on with lower sounds. And if you have a loud environment, you can hit the -1 or -2, which will do just the opposite. Over here is your mode, record quality. XHQ is higher recording quality. HQ is the lower one, which to me, I can't tell the difference. HQ is still very good, and you get twice the amount of time storage capacity on the recorder. When you're ready to go, you just go ahead and click start. That's going to put you see this file put on there, and the device is automatically going to read that and change its settings to whatever you wanted them at. Let me show you how you go ahead and listen to a recording. Double click the voice folder, and this is a test I just put on there. Double click on that. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Let's pause that. All right, and then when you're all done, just go ahead and close out everything and eject your device from the computer. Like I said, this is Windows 10. You'd click on this icon here, eject voice record.